Welcome to Disney's BoardWalk Villas. Today, we're touring this perfectly located one-bedroom villa, room 4088. We booked this villa using 29 Disney Vacation Club points, and we encourage you to stick around for the second half of the video where we'll open everything up so you can see the storage that's provided so you know what to bring or not bring. As you enter the villa, there's a storage closet immediately to your right and a guest bathroom to your left. Straight ahead, you'll find the kitchen and living area designed with an open concept layout. Unlike studios, one-bedroom villas include a full kitchen, complete with standard Disney dishware and appliances, including a Keurig coffee maker and complimentary Joffrey's coffee setup. You'll also find a microwave, stove, full-size refrigerator, toaster, and more. Stick around for that part of the video. The breakfast nook seats 4 comfortably, and you can pull up 2 bar stools for additional seating or make room for a high chair for those with small children. This villa also features 2 private balconies, one off the living room and one off of the master bedroom. From both balconies, you'll enjoy a beautiful view of the BoardWalk's Luna Park Pool, including the Keister Coaster water slide, with views of Disney's Swan and Dolphin resorts off in the distance. In the living room, the sofa easily converts into a Murphy bed. We'll show you that later on. And one-bedroom villas include a stackable washer and dryer along with complimentary laundry detergent. The main bathroom features a walk-in shower, toilet, and vanity with a separate door leading to the large soaking tub, which is accented with charming Disney BoardWalk artwork featuring Mickey and Minnie enjoying a swan boat ride. We really love this layout because it allows 2 people to essentially get ready at the same time without being in each other's personal space. Adjacent to the bathroom, we found a full closet with an ironing board, safe, and luggage rack, contributing to the ample storage throughout this villa. Here's the bedroom with plenty of lighting and storage, and once again, an invitation to enjoy that balcony with a table and chairs, welcoming you to enjoy Disney's BoardWalk Luna Park Pool. Just gorgeous. Now let's do a quick walkthrough with all storage areas open so you can see exactly what is and isn't provided for your stay. There's that entry closet once again. Plenty of room to hang clothes, whatever you need, store boots, shoes, etc. Under the kitchen sink, you'll find trash and recycling bins, a dish drying rack, and additional cleaning supplies. The cabinets are stocked with essentials such as pots and pans, plates, cups, silverware, wine glasses, cutting boards, pot holders, and more. When we finish up going through the kitchen cabinets here, we'll head over to the living room. In that area, there's more storage. And my favorite features is the pull-up living room table, which allows you to comfortably dine while seating on the couch. And of course, the Murphy bed easily lowers with a simple pull of the handle. We love that Donald is dreaming of the boardwalk in his Murphy bed artwork. The bathroom includes additional storage and a hairdryer. No need to pack one. There's that closet we showed earlier, again with your ironing board safe and plenty of room to put your luggage, hanging clothes, etc. Thank you so much for watching. If you're enjoying this video and enjoy seeing Disney Vacation Club room tours and you'd like to see more, please like and subscribe so we can continue bringing this content. If you're an existing DVC member and are considering adding BoardWalk to your portfolio, visit us at dvcbuyresale.com to view our current inventory. If you're interested in selling, we'd be happy to discuss how we can help. You can also join our email list to receive updates on new inventory as it becomes available daily. Buyers and sellers alike can feel confident working with us. Our broker is actively involved in every resale transaction, and since 2002, it has been our pleasure to help members buy and sell Disney Vacation Club with clarity and transparency.